Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanaeah, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a halo eye tutorial, and today I will be using the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. And right now I'm just starting off with like a dark neutral brown from the palette and just packing that on the outer corner, and I'm gonna pack it on the inside also. And I won't be able to give you guys the names of these shades because I lost a little white little thing with the names that came with it a while ago. So right now I'm just going to take like this rose pink shade and blending out the edges of that dark brown. Process does take like a lot of blending to get the right blend, so I'm just gonna see me blending. So right now I'm just continue to blend that rose shade how I want it. Then you see it kind of washed out the brown a little, so I'm going to go back with the brown with the smaller dense brush and blend it even more. Now I'm going to add some of that dark black shade into the outer and inner corners and just blend that. Then after this, I'm just going to do the next eye on camera, but it will be sped up. I'm going to take like a shimmer rose shade from the palette and put that in the middle of the inner outer corners, and I'm just going to blend that, and then I will add like a more silver shade and just mix them together. And if you don't know, I do live like in the Midwest, so it's getting pretty cold out now. And so here's like my wintertime foundation routine at the moment. So I prime my face with the Bobbi Brown primer. I forget the name of it. The enriched vitamin enriched primer or whatever. But I did that. I'll let that sit for a little, and then I'll add foundation next. And for foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Syracuse. This is more like my winter shade, and like my summer shade is like Tahoe. But I feel like there might be a shade that might be my perfect match. I just haven't been out to try anymore. So when I do, I will let you guys know for sure. And I'm using a new concealer today. I mean, I used it before, but it was like light, so I always used it for like eye primer. But I had grabbed the shade, I want to say medium. I'm just gonna use that for my under eyes and, you know, nose and all that good stuff. Oh, it's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Forgot to mention that. I'm gonna let it sit for a little, then blend it on out. And while that sit, I'm gonna take some face powder by Makeup Forever, and I'm gonna set like the outer portions of my face, like where I didn't put the concealer. This is something like I tried the other day, and I was like, oh, I like this. It turned out pretty nice on camera. And after I blend that out, I'm going to set with my Airspun translucent powder. I got this like a while ago. They sell it at Walmart and like Walgreens. Just gonna powder contour using my light to medium contour palette by what is the brand? Black Radiance. I had to brain fart for a second. just gonna use like this highlight quad from Wet n Wild, and I just swipe the brush all over each color. You use it like that. I'm gonna do the high points of my cheek, my nose, upper lip. Then for lips, I'm going to use a mini Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And I don't have the shade name with me right now, but I'm just going to use that. I didn't use like no lip liner or anything. It turned out very natural. And also didn't put like no under eye mascara or eyeshadow. I wanted this look to be very like fresh outside of like, you know, the halo eye. And here we have the final look. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below. I have more tutorials coming soon. Please stay tuned.